I'm so hot and thirsty, I'm going to drink the biggest cup of water.
Great idea, Robert. I'm really thirsty too. Ah! It's a flood! Join Lonnie and Robert in an exciting math adventure and explore more math fun.
It all started over 1,000 years ago, when the first Polynesian voyagers arrived in the Hawaiian Islands. Hawaiians lived in these islands, isolated for hundreds of years, building a civilization generation after generation. Much later, Hawaii became home to pioneers and immigrants from all over the world. This text was created to meet the state standards for the new middle school course, History of the Hawaiian Kingdom. This text covers the period from Western contact in 1778 until the overthrow of the Hawaiian Kingdom and annexation to the United States in 1900. A History of the Hawaiian Kingdom is a visually stunning, content-rich textbook. Through grade level and age-appropriate text and activities, this book shows the roots of the multicultural society we know today. It's a great resource to understand our past and connect it to the present. Find out more at crdg.hawaii.edu/products.